Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating project, Zusie, a relay computer built by Frederick Anderson. It's a truly remarkable feat of engineering, a throwback to the early days of computing. Amazing!
I'm already hooked. What makes this project so special? I mean, relays? That sounds incredibly archaic compared to modern processors.
That's precisely what makes it so cool. Anderson chose relays, not for efficiency, but for the sheer challenge and historical significance, is essentially recreating the spirit of Konrad Zuse's early machines. Think about it. Huge propagation delays, noise, power consumption. It's a completely different beast to work with than modern solid-state electronics.
So it's a labor of love, a historical recreation, and a technical challenge all rolled into one. What's the architecture like?
It's a microcoded CISC architecture. Think of it as a simplified, but still quite complex, version of classic computer designs. It boasts an 8-bit data bus, a 16-bit address bus, multiple registers, 3 8-bit accumulators, 2 12-bit registers for indexing and addressing, and a whopping 64K of solid-state memory. All this controlled by a 12-bit program counter and stack pointer.
64 kilobytes. That's surprisingly substantial for a relay-based system. What about the instruction set? Is it as complex as, say, x86?
Oh no, it's much simpler, but still quite rich. It includes instructions for loading literals, manipulating registers, subroutine calls and returns, stack operations, memory reads and writes, branching, both short and long, and a variety of ALU operations. AND, OR, XOR, AD, increment, decrement, shifts, and even a way to indirectly perform subtraction. It even has an assembler and microassembler running in DOS to communicate with Zusie via a parallel port.
A parallel port! That's a blast from the past. So the instruction set is designed for this specific hardware, right? It's not trying to emulate a more modern architecture?
Exactly. The instructions are tailored to the capabilities and limitations of the relay-based hardware. The whole thing is a testament to Anderson's ingenuity in working within those constraints. It's a beautiful example of elegant design within a very challenging environment.
I'm impressed by the sheer scale of the project. How many relays are we talking about?
Around 1,500 relays, salvaged from discarded telephone exchange circuit boards. Imagine the work involved in desoldering all those. It's a truly massive undertaking.
It sounds like a fascinating project, a true testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the creator. I'm curious to see what future projects he undertakes.
Absolutely. This project is a wonderful blend of history, engineering, and a touch of madness. It's a reminder that even in the age of incredibly advanced technology, there's still room for creative exploration of the fundamentals. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.